that snow and bad weather, it's nice to have a day pretty enough to be able to drive this Corvette around. With the headlights a little bit more today. Oh my gosh, that's a pretty interesting puzzle. I was having fun with it actually. I'm fixing to go to a car show. I got them all put together, but getting them to fit up in the front end of this car is kind of a trick. One side must be